Hi, and welcome to The Real Deal with Deb. Being born into dysfunctional generational trauma, I know too well the effects it can have in all the different areas of our life. So I decided to create a space to support women of all ages where we can grow together while sharing personal and entrepreneurial lessons learned through authentic connection, love, and laughter. After 30 plus years of building a successful business as a RE/MAX realtor while studying emotional intelligence skills throughout my career and life, I now want to help support other women and empower them to tap into their own emotional intelligence skills. Hey, it's Deb, and welcome to The Real Deal with Deb. I appreciate you taking the time to stop on by. As we all know, the Bank of Canada has cut interest rates twice over the last few months. Now, they're predicting that every decision going forward till the end of the year, that rates will continue to drop. So great news, especially for you first-time buyers. Now, what else does this mean? It means it encourages people, and more people have the availability to get a mortgage, to get into the housing market. So first-time buyers, you're pre-approved with your lender, or you should be before you start shopping, so you know what your payments are going to be, you know what price range you should be looking at, etc. Usually most lenders will guarantee the interest rate up to 120 days, so 4 months. And if they go down, you're guaranteed the lower rate. So because Canadian Real Estate Association is predicting a return of a more active housing market as early as spring of 2025, you might want to take advantage of the time now and up until the end of the year to find the house. You know, it's going to be a much more relaxed experience for you because, you know, I agree that it's going to be short-lived. You know, unfortunately, you know, real estate is cycles. You know, it was a strong seller's market for many years. It's now come back to a buyer's market. However, it sounds like it could be short-lived. So take advantage of it. You know, start looking now. It may take you weeks, it may take you months to find the perfect place, but you're going to get that lower rate, guaranteed, no matter what. Just make sure you're pre-approved before you go shopping. Now, as well, I want to share with you my own personal experience of probably what's happened with some of you out there, because I think it was 63% of us Canadians were having to remortgage this year. So me and my husband were one of them. We had to remortgage back in May. Unfortunately, the rates were like 5%. And, you know, having a less than 3% 5 years ago, our payments have almost doubled, right? That's a big ouch. So here's what we're going to do, and I would suggest you doing the same if you were one like us that had to remortgage at our rates being higher. Hold on, wait till they keep dropping. They've dropped down to, you know, I'm thinking 3.5%, even 3%. You're worth taking a 3-month discharge penalty. So in other words, 3 months payment of what you would pay on your mortgage. But the long-term gain, you know, for the next 4 or 5 years that you lock in at is like thousands and thousands of dollars that you're not paying on interest to the bank. So much better for us. Again, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch, and hope this was of some value to you. And please stop on by again in the next 2 weeks for more real estate update information. Keeping it real. Have a great rest of your summer. Until next time. Thanks again for taking some time out of your day to spend it with me. If there's a topic you'd like me to discuss, please reach out at therealdealwithdeb@gmail.com. If you've enjoyed this episode, I'd really appreciate it if you left me a review. And as always, keeping it real. Until next time.